Hello. Hey.
I'm over here dancing with the bird.
Hey. Yeah?
He's being a... Damn it.
Hello.
He's
Hello.
acting.
Hello. Hello. Hi. Hi.
Hello.
Oh, he said hello. Hello.
He's not funny like the other guy though.
Can you say goodbye? Goodbye. Goodbye.
You don't have no food.
Goodbye. Oh, he's eating right now. Look at him.
Huh?
He's eating. Hey, buddy. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Oh, he said that they're sexist. They don't like females. That's why he's coming at me.
Oh. Really? Watch out. You're going to get you.
Look. You see him? Look.
Yeah?
Look at him. Bro, he wants to fight. Like, why am I even doing this right now with him?
I don't know. Look at
With
him.
the damn animal. Like, no.
That's cool.
I don't know what's happening. Like, I thought if... Like, are we... I don't know. What?
Oh, shit. He's laughing at you.
He's an asshole.
That's right.
For real.
Yeah. You're a badass, aren't you?
Yep.
Yeah. You're a little badass bird, aren't you? Huh?
Fucking. Oh my god. Look at him.
Look at you.
I
I don't know, but your other friend was kind of funny.
He's mean. Look, he even plucks his feathers at me.
Yeah, it is.
He like got a mohawk and everything. Look, he got Terminator hair.
Yeah, look.
Look, first it's slicked back and then it's bedhead.
Hello. 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 All right, well, we're going to take off. Yeah. We'll see you later, all right? Enjoy your meal. See ya. Later, buddy. Later, buddy. Yeah, I don't, yeah, I think he's talking smack to you. I think he said you're hot. It sounded like he said you're hot. We'll see you later, buddy. Okay?